Yo, what's up? It's Orange Juice TV, and today I'm here with a friend, and his name is Pablo, and he's a cockatiel. This is Pablo. That's his name. I like to sit on your shoulder. Come on. Come on. See? Alright. This is Pablo. He's a cockatiel. And sometimes we have to, every month we have to trim his wings a little bit so he doesn't fly away. And like I said, his name is Pablo. He's a cockatiel. And right now I think he's just a baby, I think. He's a male. He's a boy as well. Sometimes he likes to give kisses. Right, Pablo? Alright, goodbye all my peeps, goodbye all my people.